When more volume of acetylene and less volume of oxygen is supplied, then a flame is obtained. A. Neutral. B. Oxidizing. C. Carburising. D. The correct answer is carburising. The instrument used to measure external and internal diameter of shafts, thickness of parts, and depth of holes is A. Outside micrometer. B. Inside micrometer. C. Depth gauge micrometer. D. Vernier caliper. The correct answer is vernier caliper. The punch and die setup is for punching and piercing operation. A. Similar. B. Different. C. D. The correct answer is similar. For smoothing and cleaning out depressions in the mold, A is used. A. Slick. B. Lifter. C. Swab. D. Gagger. The correct answer is lifter. When the dimension is expressed as, then the tolerance is A. 0.035 mm. B. 0.025 mm. C. 0.01 mm. D. 0.06 mm. The correct answer is 0.06 mm. The brass and bronze are welded by flame. A. Neutral. B. Oxidizing. C. Carburising. D. All of these. The correct answer is oxidizing. Projection welding is A. Continuous spot welding process. B. Multi-spot welding process. C. Arc welding process. D. Process used for joining round bars. The correct answer is multi-spot welding process. The adhesiveness is the property of a sand due to which A. It evolves a great amount of steam and other gases. B. The sand grains stick together. C. It cling to the sides of a molding box. D. None of these. The correct answer is it cling to the sides of a molding box. A stripper plate machine is used to draw the pattern from the mold. A. Yes. B. No. C. D. The correct answer is yes. The algebraic difference between the maximum limit and the basic size is called A. Actual deviation. B. Upper deviation. C. Lower deviation. D. Fundamental deviation. The correct answer is upper deviation. For gas welding, the pressure desired at the welding torch for oxygen is A. 7 to 103 kNm2. B. 70 to 280 kNm2. C. 280 to 560 kNm2. D. 560 to 840 kNm2. The correct answer is 70 to 280 kNm2. Seam welding is A. Continuous spot welding process. B. Multi-spot welding process. C. Arc welding process. D. Process used for joining round bars. The correct answer is continuous spot welding process. In a simple die, two or more operations are performed simultaneously at the single stroke of the ram. B. Two or more cutting operations are performed at one station of the press in every stroke of the ram. C. Both cutting and non-cutting operations are performed at one station of the press in every stroke of the ram. D. None of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. The operation of producing cup-shaped parts from flat sheet metal blanks by bending and plastic flow of metal is known as A. Drawing. B. Squeezing. C. Coining. D. Planishing. The correct answer is drawing.